Hi everyone, this is Zoaib. In this clip, I want to talk about data analysts. Normally, this is a discipline that wasn't in the learning and development space, but with all the advancements that we've seen, now it is very important for us to really understand data. What do I mean by that? Basically, all the systems that we use, any technology, any project management system, any way that we work on our course design, academic technologies, learning and development initiatives, all these softwares have data points that they store. But we have to make sure that all of this makes sense. For example, if we use a learning management system, there are data points that the learning management system provides for us to really understand the behavior of the user. But how do we make sense of that? How do we make sure that we can clearly see what the picture is and what the story is? Data analysts are experts in analyzing data and then using softwares that allow them to create dashboards that can allow the management and all the key stakeholders to really understand the pattern and basically, in a layman's term, what's the story? For example, if you've developed a course and that course content is online, how often the course materials are used? Which of the ones are used more often than the other? Similarly, when you're doing any resource planning, any metrics that you have for your clients that you're working with, how would you ensure that there is a clear dashboard for your clients through which they can understand what is happening with the resources that were assigned, how are they using those resources against cost, and then again, what are the visual ways? So data analysts, beyond analyzing data, they are also experts in helping people understand as I said, the story in a visual way. There are different, it could be as simple as pie charts, histograms, but then with the advancement of technologies, there are dedicated dashboards as well that can allow you to understand how your resources, information that you're creating, and what are some best feedback that you're getting and how you can analyze those. All of those things can make sense. But this really requires thorough planning. And that is why having a data analyst dedicated to your team will allow you to understand the systems that you're using, the data points that you get from those systems, and then how can you make sense out of those? Because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that what you develop for your learner is actually working. But that can only make sense if you have someone like a data analyst to really help you make sense out of that data. I hope you find this video useful.